Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce server response time with CloudFront, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding what server response time is and why it matters. Server response time refers to the duration it takes for your server to respond to a request. A slow response time can lead to poor user experience and decreased website performance. To reduce server response time, consider using Amazon CloudFront, a content delivery network. First, create an AWS account if you don't already have one. Once your account is set up, log in to the AWS Management Console. Navigate to the CloudFront service from the list of AWS services. Click on the Create Distribution button to start the setup. Select the web option for a web distribution. Under the origin settings, specify your origin domain name. This could be your web server or an S3 bucket. Configure the origin path only if you want to point to a specific subdirectory. Set the viewer protocol policy based on whether you want to enforce HTTPS. For performance, select Redirect HTTP to HTTPS to ensure secure connections. Next, adjust the cache behavior settings to optimize caching. Set the cache policy to one that matches your content type and update frequency. If needed, fine-tune TTL values to ensure the right balance between freshness and speed. You can also enable compress objects automatically to improve load times. Scroll down to the Distribution Settings section. Here, set the alternate domain names if you want to use a custom domain. Add your SSL certificate if you're using HTTPS. Next, review your settings. Once you confirm everything is correct, click Create Distribution. Wait for your distribution status to change to deployed. After the deployment, update your DNS records to point to your CloudFront distribution. Using Route 53 or your DNS provider will streamline this process. Once DNS changes propagate, test your website's speed. Use tools like Google PageSpeed Insights or JeetMetrics for performance analysis. Continue to monitor your server response time regularly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.